For 4 straight years, everyone told you the same thing. Buy the S&P 500. Buy tech. Buy AI. Dividends are boring. Dividends are dead. You're leaving money on the table. Well, here's what nobody expected. In 2026, the boring anti-AI dividend fund, SCHD, is beating the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. Not by a little. SCHD is up around 18% this year, while the S&P 500 is up about 9%. The fund with zero AI stocks is doubling the return of the index everyone said you had to own. So what happened? Did the whole story just flip? And more importantly, is this the start of a new trend, or a trap that's about to reverse? I dug into why this is happening and what it means for your money. Stick with me. Here's the plan. First, the verified numbers. Exactly how much SCHD is beating the market by this year. Then, why it's happening. The rotation almost nobody saw coming. Next, the honest catch. The real risk of owning a fund with zero AI exposure. And finally, whether you should chase this or whether that's exactly the wrong move. Let's get into it. Quick disclaimer. This is educational analysis using current data, not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Past performance doesn't predict future results, and market leadership shifts. Always do your own research and consult a qualified professional before investing. Let me give you the actual numbers because this genuinely surprised a lot of people. As of early July 2026, SCHD is up about 18% year-to-date. The S&P 500, tracked by SPY, is up only about 9%. So SCHD, the dividend fund with no AI, no NVIDIA, no high-flying tech, is roughly doubling the return of the S&P 500 this year. Over the trailing 12 months, SCHD has returned around 20 to 25%. These aren't small, boring numbers. This is the dividend fund outrunning the market. Now let's put this in context because it's a genuine plot twist. For the previous several years, from about 2021 through 2024, SCHD lagged badly. While tech and AI stocks soared, SCHD just plodded along. In fact, last year it returned less than 1%. People were writing it off, calling dividend investing dead, saying the only smart move was to pile into growth and AI. The narrative was completely one-sided, and then 2026 flipped it. The exact fund everyone was mocking is now on top of the leaderboard. SCHD has reclaimed its spot as the default core dividend holding, and it's doing it by beating the very index that was supposed to be unbeatable. This is what makes markets humbling. The moment everyone agrees on something, dividends are dead. Growth always wins. That's often exactly when it reverses. So the numbers are real and verified. SCHD is beating the S&P 500 in 2026. Now the important question, why? So why is the anti-AI fund suddenly winning? It comes down to one word, rotation. For years, money flooded into a handful of giant AI and tech names. Those stocks got more and more expensive as everyone piled in. But in 2026, sentiment started to shift. Investors began to worry that AI stocks had run too far, too fast, that the valuations were stretched, and that the easy money had already been made. So money started rotating out of expensive growth and tech, and into value, dividends, and income. Exactly the kind of stocks SCHD is built from. When that rotation happens, SCHD shines. Its holdings are concentrated in the sectors that come back into favor when investors get cautious: healthcare, consumer staples, energy, and quality dividend payers. These are the boring, steady, cash-generating companies that people flock to when they lose their appetite for risky, high-priced tech. So as the crowd rotated towards safety and income, SCHD's holdings got bid up, and the fund outperformed. There's a bigger backdrop too. Major research shops noted that in 2026, factor and dividend strategies staged a comeback as investors sought income and diversification in a still uncertain economic environment. The themes of the year became resilience, income, and quality, not speculation. And SCHD sits right at the center of that. Add in the fact that dividend ETF inflows actually increased in June, and you can see the money is following the performance. The rotation is real, and it's ongoing, so SCHD didn't change. The market's mood changed, and when the mood shifts from greed to caution, from growth to value, SCHD is one of the biggest beneficiaries. Now here's where I have to be completely honest with you, because this is the part the hype videos will skip. SCHD beating the market this year does not mean it will keep beating the market, and the very reason it's winning now is also its biggest risk. SCHD has zero meaningful exposure to the AI-driven mega-cap tech names. None. No Nvidia, no exposure to the biggest AI winners. That's a feature this year because those stocks cooled off and value led. But it's a double-edged sword. If the market re-accelerates into growth and AI leadership in the second half of 2026, SCHD will lag, just like it did from 2021 through 2024. You'd be sitting in the fund that misses the party, again. In fact, you can already see a small preview. Over the past month, as sentiment has bounced around, SCHD has been basically flat, down less than 1%. So this isn't a rocket ship that goes up forever. It's a value and income posture that wins when value is in favor and lags when growth takes over. Owning SCHD is a bet that caution, income, and value continue to lead. It is not a bet on AI or explosive growth. So the honest framing is this. SCHD is winning in 2026 because the market rotated toward what it holds. If that rotation continues, SCHD keeps doing well. If the market flips back to AI and growth, SCHD goes back to lagging. Nobody knows for certain which way it goes next. Anyone who tells you they do is guessing. So, should you buy SCHD just because it's beating the S&P 500? Not necessarily. Chasing recent winners is one of the biggest investing mistakes because market leadership constantly changes. Instead, own SCHD for what it is. A long-term investment focused on quality dividend income, stability, and value. If it matches your financial goals, hold it through both good and bad markets rather than trying to time performance. An even smarter approach is diversification. Pair SCHD with broad market or growth investments so you benefit whether value or growth leads, reducing risk while staying invested through changing market cycles. The biggest lesson isn't about SCHD, it's about investing itself. When everyone agrees on the winning investment, the market often surprises them. For years, growth and AI dominated, while dividend funds were ignored. Then, 2026 showed how quickly leadership can change. That's why chasing recent winners is risky. No one knows whether growth, value, tech, or dividends will lead next year. Instead of betting everything on one trend, build a diversified portfolio that includes multiple investment styles. When market leadership rotates, as it always does, you'll stay invested, reduce risk, and benefit from changing market cycles instead of being caught off guard. To sum it up, SCHD has outperformed the S&P 500 in 2026, proving that market leadership can change quickly. As money rotated from expensive AI stocks into value and dividend companies, SCHD benefited. But its lack of AI exposure is a trade-off. If growth rebounds, SCHD may lag again. That's why you shouldn't chase recent performance. Instead, consider SCHD as a long-term core holding alongside growth investments, giving your portfolio balance through different market cycles. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Do you prefer dividends, growth, or both? And did SCHD's performance this year surprise you? Share your thoughts below. Subscribe so you don't miss the next update as this rotation between value and growth keeps playing out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.